Hello, my dear students of class 9 and 10. I welcome you to my English class. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Yes, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty God. At the very beginning, I would like to introduce myself. I am Itika Rani Bishwas, Assistant Teacher, Shambhupura High School, Sunargaon, Narayanganj. Dear student, we know physical exercise is a very important for our health. It keeps our body and mind joyfully. There are many kinds of physical exercise such as running, walking, swimming, riding, yoga, meditation, etc. etc. So you can easily guess today's topic name. Today's topic name is first time. Topic name is first time. Lesson: have you any favorite pastime? Have you any favorite pastime? Dear student, open your EFT book, page number 16. Unit 2, lesson on. Dear student, after the lesson, we will able to read passage about yoga. We will be able to tell word meaning. You will be able to choose the correct answer. You will be able to write a paragraph. So dear student, we are going to read passage about yoga. I am going to read passage. You will definitely read it and write down many important things with me. Yoga tap into the many health benefits. Understanding yoga. Yoga is a kind of a posture and breathing exercise. It brings together physical and mental disciplines to achieve peace of body and mind, helping you relax and manage stress and anxiety. Traditional yoga puts emphasis on behavior, diet and meditation, but you are just looking for better stress management and not an entire lifestyle change. Yoga can still help. Yoga trends gradually choose easier to complex activities for practitioners. However, all practitioners do not necessarily need the same kinds of practice. The health benefits of yoga. The potential health benefits of yoga are numerous and may include stress reduction. With its quite precise movements, yoga draws your focus away from your busy, chaotic day and towards calm as you move your body to poses that require balance and concentration. Increased fitness. As you learn and refine new poses, you may enjoy improved balance, flexibility, range of motion and strength. And this means you are less likely to injure yourself in another physical endeavors or your daily activities. Management of chronic health conditions. Yoga might help in a variety of health conditions such as cancer, depression, pain, anxiety and insomnia, fatigue and mood shifts. Yoga can also help reduce heart rate and blood pressure. Weight loss. If you are overweight or have eating disorder, yoga may help you make the healthy lifestyle changes necessary to gain control of your eating and reduce weight. While you shouldn't accept yoga to cure, you offer your 100% relief. It can help some health conditions when combined with standard treatment. And if you already enjoy good health, yoga can be an enjoyable supplement to your regular fitness routine. Dear Dear student, I will give some importance word meaning. First on practitioner. Practitioner means person who practice. Practitioner means person who practice. চর্চাকারী, যে চর্চা করে। Second on potential. Potential means probable. That means বাংলা সম্ভাব্য। Numerous means many. That means বাংলা অসংখ্য, অগণিত। Precise means exact. That means বাংলা যথাযথ। Chaotic means full of chaos. That means বাংলা বিশৃঙ্খলা পূর্ণ। Another anxiety means mental restlessness. That means বাংলা cure means recovery. That means বাংলা নিরাময়, আরোগ্য। Okay, dear student, note it. Write down your notebook. After word meaning past, we are going to new activities. Choose the correct answer from the following alternatives. Dear student, read carefully and answer your notebook. Choose the correct answer from the following alternatives. Dear student, read the carefully the movements in yoga art. Here are 4 alternatives: quiet and precise, bold and noisy, quiet and rough, wild and measured. Which is correct answer? I will pick the correct answer. You will note it your notebook. Which is correct answer? Yes, correct answer is quiet and precise. Another, anxiety is closely connected to our dash. First on physical labor, mental labor, physical disturbance or mental disturbance. Which is correct? You can guess which is correct. Very good. Correct answer is mental disturbance. Third on, the meaning of the word flexibility means. Read the carefully. The meaning of the word flexibility means there are 4 options: give, fabric, resilience, texture. What is correct answer? Good. Resilience. Here is correct answer. Resilience. The synonym of the word gradually. The carefully number fourth one. The synonym of the word gradually is all on a sudden, swiftness, beat by beat, slowly. What is correct answer? Yeah, the correct answer is beat by beat. Last one, the meaning of the word insomnia is the loss of sleep, the loss of hunger, the loss of height, the loss of weight. Which is correct? Yes, very good. The correct is the loss of sleep. The loss of sleep. I take the correct answer. Dear student, write down your notebook. Okay. Homework. Write a paragraph about yoga. Write a paragraph about yoga. Thank you, everybody.